Hello and welcome everyone. This is Dayub, your business coach, and welcome to today's session, which will be on about create an ebook from scratch, right? And about the topic, one of the biggest myths about, creating an ebook is that you need to be an expert, a professional writer, or spend months working on it. The truth is, if you have valuable knowledge that can solve a problem or teach a skill, you already have the foundation for a successful ebook. So in this session, I'll show you like a simple step-by-step system that removes the guesswork, whether you're an entrepreneur, freelancer, business owner, content creator, or someone looking to build an online income. You will learn how to create an ebook from the initial idea all the way to a polished, ready to sell product. And we will, cover how to choose a profitable topic, plan your chapters, write the engaging content, design your ebook professionally, and prepare it for publishing and selling. And you will also discover how AI tools can help you work faster without sacrificing quality, right? So by the end of the session, you will have more than just knowledge. You'll have a finished ebook that can help you build your brand, grow your audience, generate leads, or create an additional stream of income, right? So let's start over. Let me just go forward and show you guys my screen so we can jump into the topic like straight away. In 1 second. So first we'll jump straight into um chats, right? So let's begin with by understanding what chat GPT actually is. So chat GPT is an you can say artificial intelligence, language model developed by OpenAI. It has been, trained on a vast amount of text to understand questions, follow instructions, and generate human-like responses. And many people, think is simply chat is simply a chat box that answer questions, but it is much more than that. It acts like, I mean, it acts like a personal assistant, you can say, that can help with writing, brainstorming, researching, planning, or organizing ideas, and creating content for different purposes. It can save hours of work by helping users complete tasks much faster while still allowing them to apply their own creativity and knowledge. And chat, you know, does not replace human intelligence. Instead, it enhances productivity by giving users a strong starting point and helping them overcome the writer's block or creative challenges. So, at the same time, if we understand what digital products are, a digital product, is any product that can be created, sold, and delivered online without the physical shipping, right? So customers purchase the product, download it instantly, and start using it. For examples include like ebooks, planners, printable worksheets, business templates, social media templates, right? Resume, study guides, budgeting sheets, uh, planners for students, fitness trackers, right? There's a lot of things. And one of the biggest advantages of digital products is that they are created once, but can be sold repeatedly without manufacturing or inventory costs. So this makes them a popular business model for freelancers, students, teachers, entrepreneurs and the content creators as well, right? So, in terms of, creating, helping us with a digital product, chat is always there to help us out. But the today topic is creating an ebook. So, if you're going with like a fresh start, if you don't know where to go with, so this is how you can go. First, you go in chat, right? So if you need, we're trying to create an ebook, right? So we can search like any kind of topic. So you need to make sure like what type of niche that you want to go with. You can go with fitness, lifestyle, right? Uh, on the sales topic, like whatever your niche is, whatever your topic is, you can get plenty of ideas with the help of chat. You can get plenty, you can also get the whole structure as well with the help of chat as well. So for example, we go on chat, we can type something in, for example, um, ebook ideas, just like this, right? And we will get like plenty of ideas over here, right? So we got business and making money online. So this is a very good niche. A lot of people are looking into it as well. How to start an online business from scratch, freelancing for beginners, personal branding on social media, beginner's gym guide if you talk about fitness, right? Then we have AI and productivity topics, sales and marketing topics, personal development, right? Gaming, digital product, finance, right? So there's a lot of topics that you can cover out with. So if you need some ideas, I mean, if you have, you can say the topic already in your mind, right? So you can something write down ebook ideas for fitness, ebook ideas for business, ebook ideas for making money online, right? So we can get plenty of, ideas as well on the same time, right? So um if you go around with something, for example, uh we got this one, right? How to start an online business from scratch. So if I'm going to copy this one, I'm going to paste it on the chat. So what I want to save the chat is create an ebook on this topic, right? So once you're going to search this up and we got like the whole uh, introduction as well. We got chapter one, we got chapter two, we got chapter three, four, five, six, seven, and eight. So we got like plenty of chapters in like a couple of seconds, as you guys can see. So in terms of getting the whole structure, yes, chat can help us out in terms of getting us the ideas and also help us to uh get us the whole structure accordingly. But there's also one thing that we can do. If you want the best product at the end of the day, you can follow these, few steps. For example, this is chapter one, right? So you will, once you double click on it, right, you will get one option at the top which will say Ask Chat. So once you're going to click on Ask Chat GPT, right, it will be quoted right in the chat box. Now you can ask anything, as you can see on the chat box. Now, what you need to write down is you can write down something as draft this first section for my ebook. I'm sorry, ebook, right? So what would chat will eventually do? It will draft the information from chapter one, right? So we'll just give it like a quick second. Like there we go. So we got chapter one in whole drafted way, as you guys can see. Chapter one, understanding online business. What is an online business? So we got everything in draft, as you guys can see, and you can see the whole difference. So this is what we got once we told chat to draft this section. But if you take a look what it was before, this is how it was, right? So this was just like you can say bullet points, but we got everything in drafted, right? So we got everything right here. So Um, this is how, I mean, you can go with that. I mean, this is we did on chapter one. So we got like five, six, seven chapters. You gotta have to do it on every chapter. So we did on chapter one. If you want to do in chapter two, it has the same process. You click on Ask ChatGPT on chapter two, it will be quoted right here. You can simply tell Chat about draft this section as well. So once that's done, then we're gonna scroll down and and then we can see the chapter two has been drafted, right? So uh this is how you can go forward with if you want the best product at the end of the day. But later on, if you want to go ahead, like in terms of designing the products, it's very, very easy to do. For example, we go directly on Canva, right? Because Canva is a really, really amazing tool in terms of designing your product. So once you're gonna go on Canva, it will usually ask you to log in, like by your email or by your email or by your number, whatever it says. Just once you logged in to your Canva, this will be the interface that you guys will see. So there's a lot of things that we can do here. If you want to create a physical product, for example, if you're selling your physical products, Canva can also help you out with it by designing as well, because you don't need a graphic design experience to start over with. It has a drag and drop system where you can easily can make changes accordingly. Um, and and just to let you know, it is also very, very beginner friendly as well, right? So once we jump into Canva, we see create, we got home, we got projects, we got templates. So if we simply go directly on templates, right, if you guys can see on the left side, so we'll be able to get plenty of templates over here, right? Presentation, poster, resume, Instagram post, story as well, invitation, mobile video, Facebook post, right, brochure. So we got like plenty of options over here that we can go with. But the today's topic is creating an ebook from scratch. So on the templates, there is an option to search as well, search billions of templates, right? So once we're gonna click on search, now to get the templates for ebook, what we're gonna write down here is something as ebook multiple pages, right? So once we're going to search this up, we will get plenty of templates over here that we can open up and we can easily can make the changes accordingly. So you can easily choose whatever you know the you can say template that you want to go with, and you can easily can make the changes accordingly. For example, I go with this one, but you can choose anyone from there. And once you're going to click on the template, and you also can take a look what this template has, what it holds. I mean, you can check out all the pages, and once you have decided to make the changes, what you need to do is you simply click on customize this template. So once you're going to click on customize this template, you will be redirected to something like this page, where you can make the changes accordingly. So this is what we got here. So I want to zoom just a little bit just to help you guys understand a little bit more. Um, so we got a guidebook for new UGC content creators. So we can change this title as well. How are we going to change it? Let's go back to chat, because on the chat we got like the whole structure, right? So our topic was how to start an online business from scratch. So I'm going to copy this title. We'll simply go back to Canva. So I'm gonna paste the whole title in just like this. How are you gonna paste it? Just double click on the topic and you'll be able to change that as well. So you can remove the other parts. How are you gonna remove it? You simply click on it. You'll be able to find the delete option. You simply click on delete and that will be gone. Now, there's a lot of things in terms of if you want to change the fonts as well. You simply click on the title, the one that you have pasted. Um, Now we have the option to decrease or increase the size of the fonts as well. This is how. If you want to decrease it, if you want to increase the size, this is how you can do. There's an option to bold as well. There's a lot of options you can also try, but make sure it looks good. Then we have the font style. You click on the fonts, they will be getting plenty of options to change the font style. Make sure it looks the best. You can once that done, there's also an option to change all if you want to change the style of the fonts in every template. If you're gonna click on change all, that will be automatically changed. But if you want to the other ones as well, if you want the fonts to be different from every pages, so you don't need to click on change all, right? Now, Once we have clicked on how to start an online business from scratch, we can easily can adjust it over here if you want it on the top, on the side, right? It all depends on you. But if you want to go over and change the color of the background, it's very also simple to do. You simply click on the background and you will be able to find the same color on the top. Make sure you click on it on the same color. Then we will be getting plenty of colors that we can choose and we can adjust accordingly, right? If we want to go with this one or this one or this one, we have plenty of options, right? So if I decided to go with this one, so what I want to do, if you want to change it, make sure you click on change all, so all the colors from the templates will be automatically changed, just like this. Now we got the title, we changed the background, we know how to change the font styles and all that. But if we want to change the pictures as well, it's also very simple to do. What you need to do is you simply click on the picture, right? You make sure you double click on the same existing picture which the template already have. Then we have on the if you guys see on the left side, we got templates, element, text, brand, and uploads. So if you click on uploads, you'll be able to upload a picture that you already have downloaded, right? If you already have downloaded a picture and you want the same picture on the template, so you'll simply click on uploads and you click on upload files, choose that existing picture, and you can upload it right here. But if you don't have any pictures, you don't have to worry about because Canva can provide you a lot of pictures for free that you can use and you can. And it has good quality pictures as well, just to let you know. So you can upload that pictures over here. So where we're gonna go is we went to uploads, right? We got tools, we got projects, we got apps, we got magic media, we got photos. So you will simply click on photos, and on the search bar it says search millions of photos. So just to let you know, whatever your topic is, whatever your niche is, if you're trying to create a course or ebook on any topic, like if it is business, if it is fitness, if it is cooking, right? Whatever that topic is, you can search that kind of pictures. For example, we're trying to creating on business. So if I simply write down business as an example, we will get plenty of pictures just like this, right? Which is related to business. Now, if I choose this one, and I can easily can adjust this here accordingly, just like this, right? So we can choose any of the pictures from here, right? And we can easily can adjust it here accordingly. So this is how we get the good quality pictures for free. So then we scroll down, then we have content, right? So we got chapter one. So we can remove this chapter one option over here, right? Excuse me 1 second. And we can write something down as well. If you want to write something down on chapter two, you can paste a chapter something as what is business, right? Just like this. Just writing down just to help you understand. So we can write all the chapters right in. If I scroll down, there's an introduction part. If you want to introduce yourself right here, you can simply can copy paste the content and paste it over here. You can use your own pictures as well over here, which is already was on the template. Make sure you delete all the other options, uh which was from the admin who created this, template. You can delete that one really easily. Then we have chapter one, right? So this is the simple copy pasting stuff right here. So if I scroll down, no, we're going back to chat, right? So if I scroll down to the chat, now our first chapter that was understanding the online business. So I'm going to copy this one, right? So I'm going to double click on the existing chapter, and then I want to simply paste that chapter in just like this, right? So we got on chapter one, our chapter that we got from the chat. Now to paste like the whole content, so I'm going to copy this, all the information over here, just like this, right? Make sure you paste all that in, and we can simply paste that all the information over here just like this, right? So we just pasted all that over here, and if I want to paste that all that here and all that here, we can easily can do that. Just make sure This is the follow steps on templates. You just, do the copy pasting stuff. Chapter two, same process, copy pasting, copy pasting, copy pasting. So this is how eventually you get the best product at the end of the day by your own knowledge and with the help of AI and with the help of Canva for designing. So once that everything is done, is pretty much good to go, then you click on share, which is on the top right. Then you'll be able to click on download. Make sure you go with PDF as well, and make sure you select all the pages. Once that's done, click on download. You'll be able to download very easily from Canva. So hope you guys have learned something new from the topic as for today's session, and thank you so much for watching. This is your coach, Dave.